State Agency Dispatch Flow. Welcome to this Anna Darpan walkthrough. This video demonstrates the complete end-to-end process of managing state agency operations in the Anna Darpan system. The flow begins with creating a new state agency, followed by dispatch request creation, distribution assignment to depots, truck chit generation, and complete depot side receipt processing. Finally, we verify the updated DSR and stack activity reports for complete transparency. Add new state agency divisional office staff. Log in as divisional office staff. Open agency and select Add Agency. Enter the agency name as Green Harvest Agency. Agency code as GH123. Agency type as FCI. Nodal officer. Agency in charge as Ravi Kumar. And the address details including city, state, and PIN code. Enter mobile number. Email ID as greenharvest@example.com and designation as agency manager. Click submit and confirm the entry. Display message saying Green Harvest Agency added successfully with username followed by the system generated agency ID. Generate the user ID for agency created. Navigate to agency list. Choose the agency created from the list and click on the generate option to generate the user ID for the created agency. Displays the successful message for the creation of a user ID. Dispatch request creation. Log in as state agency user. Open state agency, then select dispatch request. Enter required dispatch details including commodity, quantity, number of bags, and transport information. Click submit and confirm the submission. Display message showing the generated commodity receipt number. View dispatch request. Open agency, then dispatch request list. Under pending distribution info, click the view icon to display the dispatch details. Assign quantity to depots. Log in as divisional staff. Open agency, then dispatch request list. Open pending distribution info and select Add. Enable the depot dispatch checkbox. Select the depot, enter the quantity, and add additional depots if required. Then, click Submit. Confirm the action and display a message indicating that the quantity has been distributed successfully. Truck chit generation. Log in as state agency user. Open state agency, then dispatch truck chit to depot. Select the commodity receipt number and depot. Enter the quantity, bags, truck details, and the transport contractor. Click Submit and confirm. Display a message stating that the truck chit has been generated successfully for the selected depot, along with the reference number. Token creation gate in charge. Log in as gate in charge. Open Mandi or agency receipt, then create token. Select Yes for Is reference number issued. Verify consignor details and click Submit. Display a message showing that the token was generated successfully with the token number. In wait capture weighbridge in charge. Log in as weighbridge in charge. Open Mandi or agency receipt, then in wait. Select the token, select the stack, enter in wait, and save. Display the gross weight message for the truck. Quality Recording Manager QC. Log in as Manager QC. Open Mandi or agency receipt, then record quality. Select the token, enter all quality parameters including moisture and analysis results. Submit and display quality accepted message. Stacking shed in charge. Log in as shed in charge. Open Mandi or agency receipt, then stacking. Select the token, confirm the recorded moisture, adjust the stack plan, and submit. Display stacking completed message. Outwait capture Weighbridge in charge. Login as Weighbridge in charge. Open Monday or agency receipt, then outwait. Select the token, enter the Tare weight, and submit. Display a message showing the captured Tare weight. Exit gate pass gate in charge. Login as gate in charge. Open Monday or agency receipt, then exit gate pass. Select the token and submit. Display gate pass exit completed successfully message. Report verification. Daily storage report DSR. Log in as manager depot. Open reports, then daily reports, then DSR. Select the required filters and view the report. Display updated commodity receipt values. Stack activity verification. Open sheds and stacks. Select shed and stack. Display updated stack activity, including the new receipt transaction. Conclusion. This concludes the demonstration of the state agency dispatch flow in the Anna Darpan system. From agency creation to dispatch, to depot receipt and reporting, the system ensures complete transparency and streamlined operations. Thank you.